Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and positive out there. Going to give a crypto market update today. I've found some older articles, and yes, they are still relevant in terms of the total crypto market cap that we could potentially be seeing in the future. And also I'm going to talk about the volume of cross-border payments per year, which is absolutely mind-blowing. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started, straight up. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? Give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye, especially in crypto, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Let's go straight to the community tab right now, guys. Now, this is bullish as anything, guys. And I'm not specifically stating that this report specifically says XRP. However, I'm just pointing out a very simple fact, all right? This is quoted from JP Morgan. They issued a report in 2021 that estimates that of nearly $24 trillion in wholesale payments that move the cross borders each year. $24 trillion, all right? Global corporates incur $120 billion in total transaction costs. This excludes potential hidden costs and trapped liquidity and delayed settlements. Now, I only stated XRP as a hashtag because this is the industry and the amount and volume that XRP is going to be aiming to target once full adoption takes place. And obviously all of the other projects that I love and talk about every day on this channel, the banking coins, all right? So I'm just pointing that out. It's a $24 trillion a year industry. Now, we're going to get into some pretty crazy stuff with market cap. Not that that's relevant, to be quite honest with you, because I just don't think market cap applies anyway with the price, because I think, once adoption happens, the amount of money that's going to be moving, pretty crazy stuff is going to be coming. Now, Luna Classic is absolutely pumping today. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I only put in a small amount of money into this. I told everybody I've put in like $102 into this. I got like a bajillion coins. But 47% don't like it and 53% do. That's out of 315 votes. Very, very interesting right here. If $1 million was just deposited into your bank account, what is your first move? 59% of you have said invest it. 2% said Lambo. You guys are all smart geniuses. I love you all. Very, very smart. Don't go buying a stupid Lamborghini that's going to cost you a fortune to service when the thing breaks down. Anyway, 21% have said buy a house. Yeah, I don't know about that one at the moment, because interest rates are going up so high. The cost of living is going through the roof. I don't know about that one. Anyway, 13% have had a cup of coffee or an espresso. That's bullish. All right, that's bullish. And there are 81 comments in here, and I love talking with everyone as well. Go and have a read of this. I love talking with everyone in here, guys, and I do apologize about all the bots. I try and remove them as quick as possible. Now, let's go straight into coin spot right here, guys. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. Again, this video is not old. This is Australian dollars, just to clarify, and everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody around the world. There is a referral link below for this. Please feel free to use that. If you wish, do your own research. You will get $10 in Bitcoin if you use that. Now, let's go through my favorite cryptos. Bitcoin's sitting at $29,000 today. Has been like this for weeks. I think this is the bottom. Ethereum 2,400, guys, 3%. The merge is coming up very soon. We've got Cardano at 75 cents, still above XRP today. XRP's at 51 cents, still undervalued, guys. Honestly, this is going to go parabolic once they win the lawsuit. We know this for a fact. Solana, it's at $49. Doge at 9 cents. Polkadot at $11. You got Matic at $1.33 today. Shiba Inu. Some interesting updates about Shiba as well. We're going to get through that. Tron is at 9 cents. Moving down some other favorites. You've got Atom at $19 today. Link is at $11 as well, up 4%, which is nice. New Protocols at $6. You've got XLM at 15 cents. Luna Classic is up 58% at the time of recording this video. 58%. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I'm happy with that because I'm gaining some funds. Who doesn't like making money? Anyway, not financial advice. Anyway, Algorand's at 46 cents. VeChain at 3 cents right now. You've got EOS up as well, which is in the green. You've got Mana at $1.20. Sandbox $1.45. You've got Hedera up 1.37% at the time of recording to 9 cents. Aave 138. You've got Axie Infinity at $21. Theta's at $1.79. You've got Quant at 141. That is a great buying opportunity in my opinion. I'm going to dollar cost average into that. Zcash as well, $96. I am looking into adding this into my portfolio. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. IOTA's at 43 cents. You've got the graph. Web3 is going to be huge, guys. 15 cents. Phantom at 40 cents right now. Neo's at $14. Moving down, you've got Waves at $6.96, guys. I did sell out of that and put it into Axie Infinity, believe it or not. What else we got here, guys? Gala's at 7 cents today. We've got, sorry, keep moving down here, guys. Rose at 9 cents. Again, I am holding that, and XDC at 3 cents. Yes, I am bullish on Reef, XYO, and Alliance Block. And Ethereum name service is one I'm looking at as well recently, just because I think .eths are going to be absolutely enormous in the future. Anyway, just moving on, guys. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles to see what is happening in the market. And of course, let me refresh this right now. My phone is having a moment. That's all right. Let me refresh this. There we go. All right, Lunar Classic up 56% on the day. 200% on the week, 292% on the month. You cannot ignore these numbers. I'm sorry. It's insane. All right, it's really insane. Anyway, it's still not up to where it was originally, guys. And if I go back here, $110. Anyway, I'm still holding a position in that just to have some fun with it. Now, the other one that's pumping today ahead of the Ethereum merge is, of course, the Ethereum Classic. Let me know in the comments below if you're holding Ethereum Classic. I'm curious. 27% on the day, 25% on the week, 7.6% on the month. Currently trading at $41 US, $59 US was its high right there. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. What else we got here, guys? Raven Coin is up 16.5% today, 34% on the week, and 0.4% on the month. Meh, not too interested in that one, guys. Ton Coin is up 14% on the day. It was trading at $4.34 all time. You've got here Bitcoin Gold, 16% on the day, 13% on the week. It's still incredibly bullish, guys, in those prices. Look at these percentages, guys. 17% on the day and 49% on the week right here, guys. DeFi chain. I don't know much about that one. But anyway, let's move on to some interesting stuff. Now, yes, this is a year old, but what the fuck? JP Morgan CEO says crypto going to $5 trillion total market cap. Now, I'm mentioning this for a reason, because a lot of people I'm noticing in the comments and stuff saying, when is this going to go up? When is this going to go? We need to be patient in this crypto space. It's just facts. Adoption is only just starting to happen. People around the world are starting to get into crypto. It's still very early. I don't care what any other influencer says. We are still early in this space. We are before institutions, hedge funds, massive companies, guys, that are trying to get into this space. And once they do, this is going to happen right here, a $5 trillion market cap. So Jamie Dimon, the CEO of US investment bank, JP Morgan, lifted the spirits following his assessment that the crypto markets could hit $5 trillion valuation. $5 trillion. Now, I've seen some pretty crazy things as well. I've heard Brad Garlinghouse say that this is going to be a $10 trillion asset. I've seen some predictions that it's going to go to a $100 trillion asset class. The total market cap, not just one asset, the total is going to go to $100 trillion in probably 10 years. I'd say that's probably a safe bet right there, 10 to 15 years around that time. So this is what I'm saying. $5 trillion is nothing. We were already at $3 trillion. Just mind, that was only like last year. So that is easily achievable. Just be patient. Now, this is the report right here that I just want to mention as well. Another bit of old news, I understand that, but I'm just pointing out one fact. $120 billion in cross-border payments report, all right? Central bank digital currencies. I know I don't like them. I just think they're just, a way for governments and institutions to control people. However, I just want to show you this, guys, right now. A full-scale multi-central bank digital currency CBDC network that facilitates round-the-clock cross-border payments in real time can potentially save global corporates up to $100 billion in transaction costs annually, according to a joint research report, all right? And JP Morgan releases Unlocking $120 billion report right here, which outlines the implementation of considerations for both central banks and commercial banks right here in developing, operating, governing CBDCs. recognizing the potential for central bank digital currency framework as an effective blueprint to introduce greater efficiencies that exist in wholesale payments occurring across borders. The report estimates that of nearly $24 trillion in wholesale payments that moved across borders each year. $24 trillion. Let that sink in for a moment, all right? Now, I've got my market cap calculator up, and I know a lot of people are going to start screaming, oh, it's all wrong, it's all wrong. Just chill, all right? Just chill. Now, if we go down here, guys, all right? So let's go here. Market cap. Let's have a look. If I just put this, now I just want to point it out, all right? Let's go 24 trillion. You can see it there on the screen, 240K, 224 million, 240 million, 2.4 billion. And if I go to 24 trillion right there, that puts, for example, just an example, a market cap of $24 trillion for cross-border payments would set XRP at a price of $483. Can it happen? Of course it can. That would be beautiful right there. Now we can change this to other cryptocurrencies, of course. Let's go to XDC, one of my other favorites right here. I'm just doing this as an exercise. Straight up. It's just an exercise. Chill. Now I don't know if this is going to work right now. Let me just wait for it to refresh. It's having a moment. I don't know why. Okay, that is definitely not working. I do not know why. Let's try Quant. Did that just work now? Hang on. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so XDC. Let's go market cap right here. It did work, guys. Magic. I'm just going to quickly have a look and see what that is. I'm curious right here. So it's 240K, 24 million, 24 billion, 24 trillion would put XDC at a value of 65,000%. It would be $1,741 for one XDC. Let's just do this for fun. This is just purely for fun, guys. Let's go to Quant because I'm bullish on Quant. Everyone knows I love Quant. A lot of people do as well. Let's just do this right now. 24 trillion. There you go. All right, that's just insanity right there. But $24 trillion quant would put it at $1.8 million for one quant. Anyway, that's just fun. That would be insane. Anyway, moving on, guys, some other news. Almost half of Shiba Inu's initial circulating token supply has been burnt. I'm still holding Shiba Inu. I got into Shiba Inu before the crazy stuff happened with Vitalik and him gifting it away during the pandemic, which is crazy. So I'm still holding it. I've seen some pretty insane gains, guys, and they're burning the supply, which is, for me, is a good thing because there was an insane amount, $1 trillion, and he gifted a lot of that away. 50% of it got burnt, and 50%, the other massive portion got gifted to Vitalik as well, just to gain attention from the market. Anyway, so since its launch in August 2020, Shiba Inu has been burnt in a bid to cut its 1 quadrillion circulating supply. The milestone halfway point is fast approaching right here. And guys, I am still holding it, I'm being honest, and I've seen some pretty crazy returns in that. Anyway, moving on, you've got Benjamin Cohen right here, sets Cardano price target as critical Vassal upgrade approaches. He's basically saying that Cardano could be soon jumping to 60 cents USD as well. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens there. It is the Ethereum challenger. Bullish. I'm still very bullish on this. So if you were to seek ADA pump to around 52 cents to 60 cents right here, I think that would be fairly major milestone for ADA to get to or get past it, especially as bear market for Bitcoin sort of just drags on the dollar, continues to move higher. I'm bullish on Cardano. I think it's going to be a 3-digit asset very soon. What else we got here, guys? Some updates in relation to Ethereum. Cheaper Ethereum right here. Obviously, ETC as the merge enters a home straight right here. So Ethereum Classic has jumped to double digits amid the merge, and a new wave of miners joining the network right here. So Ethereum Classic is up 11%. The cheaper Ethereum is rising. Ethereum's proof of stake update approaches. Ethereum miners have also flocked to Ethereum Classic, bringing its hash rate to a new all-time highs. Let me know in the comments below if you are bullish on Ethereum Classic. Should I buy it? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. You got Federal Reserve researchers predict 2 adoption scenarios for crypto and DeFi in a new report right here. So the US Federal Reserve offers 2 scenarios that lead the widespread adoption of crypto and decentralized finance. This is in a new report right here. They basically say that there are 2 paths forward. One where blockchain finance intertwines with traditional finance, which it's going to do with my banking coins that I love, and one where they are separate but parallel, meaning running close together. Broadly speaking, there are two conceptual scenarios, not necessarily mutual exclusive, but they lead to a breakthrough in which blockchain finance may become an important provider of services currently provided by off-chain financial markets and institutions. In one scenario, these blockchain services gain greater interoperability with the existing payments and financial system, aka Ripple, for example, evolving to link real assets to public blockchains. A second scenario may see crypto assets evolving to become separate parallel financial system that provides services for the real economy. We know that the projects that I talk about are actually doing it. Now, Bitcoin is ready for a big move with major macro events coming this week, guys. This is all happening as well. Although today is Labor Day in the United States, yes it is, and a day off for the country's traditional markets, the crypto market never sleeps, and that's why I absolutely love it. Over the next 4 days, investors will have to watch closely for speeches from the heads of the SEC and the Fed. The release of the Fed's Beige Book right here, if I'm pronouncing that right, and what follows after Tuesday's deadline for comments on Joe Biden's crypto executive order. So we could see a lot of volatility this week. And I'm not going to get into this, guys, because basically this is saying that the SEC might go after Ethereum after the merge. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Let's go check where the money's been going, guys. Let's go down here, guys. You got XRP, nice. Luna Classic, of course, USDC, Ethereum. Bullish on XRP. Who doesn't like XRP? Anyway, we've got Flux, Sand. You've got Link here, guys. You've got ICP, Internet Computer. I don't know about that one. Not too bullish on it. Hasn't gone back up to anywhere near its all-time high, which is like 140 Australian dollars. You've got RVN as well. Tron, APM, ANV. Bitcoin, of course, guys. That's a no-brainer. Let's go to Twitter. There isn't a lot happening on there at the moment, guys, but I'm going to go through updates. Yes, this is my website, the Wall Street Bull Official. Go grab yourself an XRP hoodie. Use the discount code MOON10. Crypto Bull XRP. Would you wait 15 more months for $29 and 23 more months for $232 XRP? I would. There's no rush. I'm long term. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 23 at the time of recording, guys. You've got Matt Hamilton here from Ripple. Have a listen to this, guys.
Kind of go into just the short history of XRP and Ripple.
Sure. Yeah, glad to. So XRP is a digital asset that lives on the XRP ledger. The XRP ledger is a decentralized, permissionless, open blockchain created originally in 2011, went live in 2012. It was originally developed by a trio of Bitcoin developers who were after something more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin. They understood that the energy usage that the proof of work protocol used was not necessarily sustainable. And so they looked to find a consensus algorithm that still retained the decentralized nature and the peer-to-peer nature of Bitcoin, but without the energy consumption that Bitcoin requires. So kind of fast forward to today, and XRP is one of the most widely supported cryptocurrencies on a whole number of exchanges worldwide. And the XRP ledger is being used for many different use cases, predominantly around payments and moving value around, but also moving into other areas such as NFTs and tokenization. One of the things people may not realize is that the XRP ledger was the first blockchain to have a decentralized exchange built into the ledger, and was the first blockchain to allow the tokenization of other assets. So it's had like stable coins, USD, Euro, stable coins, and things like effectively wrapped Bitcoin, pegged Bitcoin since 2012.
Bullish. It's an OG. It is the old, man. It's old. It's 2012. Unbelievable. Polygon Network surpasses 2 billion total transactions. I'm bullish on Polygon. Johnny Deaton right here, guys. You've got here, the case was filed in a rush as Clayton Hinman, Berger, and others were walking out the door for good. The lawsuit was a weapon, pure and simple, and because it wasn't filed for valid reasons, the SEC lawyers have been all over the place making inconsistent arguments from day one. It's truth. Jack the Rippler right here, only ISO 222 assets can be trusted. You've got XRP, XLM, XDC, Algorand, Hedera, Quant. Bullish on all of these guys. You've got Plan B coming out. The 2024 halving dark blue will be up and obviously to the right of the stock to flow model. This is a good just chart to follow right here, guys. We are still early. All right, we can see a massive, the linear regression chart as well is bullish because it's consistently going up in a nice curve. That's all it's going right now, straight up. It's not going down. There are volatility, there's volatility on the way. However, it's still going up. Even Raoul Pal follows that particular chart right there, the linear regression line. Moving on, fun fact, Ethereum's final upgrade before the merge of proof of stake is mid-September, occurs 24 hours from now. You got Bank of Russia says it's necessary to soon legalize cross-border payments in cryptocurrency. And Brad Garlinghouse met with the SEC chairman Clayton. I met with the SEC commissioners. No one ever said XRP is a security. That is facts. India's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has reportedly asked 4 public sector banks to run a pilot for CBDCs. That's scary stuff right here. And you'll notice the hand positioning. This is the opposite of the Illuminati right here. I'm not going to get into this crazy stuff, but this is all happening right here. And you've caught Morpheus right there, bullish on the Matrix. He doesn't like that. BlackRock to use Kraken's subsidiary for crypto offerings. So this is what I'm trying to say. They're trying to work around regulations, guys. All right, because we are before them. Who doesn't get bullish about that? Moving on right here, 1,408 Bitcoin transferred from Coinbase to Binance. That is madness right here. Digital Perspectives, thank you for this tweet. I'm going to end up on this as well. XRP Advanced Stochastic 21 EMA. XRP is the most oversold territory since April 2022. Bears are exhausted due to low selling volume. Bullish cross is inevitable and the price is overextended from the 21 EMA right here. Flipping 21 EMA into support will activate XRP mega bull run. What do you think about that one, guys? Saudi Arabia Central Bank has appointed cryptocurrency chief to advance digital goals right here. That is facts. That's pretty much it for the news today. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. We've got $988 billion, $57 billion in total volume in the last 24 hours. It is quite low. Guys, what do you think about this going to 100 trillion? What do you think is going to happen? Madness. And of course, the only coins I'm focusing on right now, and I do have my total crypto watch list right here. These are all the coins that I'm holding. Straight up, transparent. I'm not going to tell you how many I'm holding because you never do that, because there's too many bad people out there that do stupid things. So these are all the coins that I'm actually holding right now. And if I just go to my favorite watch list, and I'm going to tell you straight up, this is the banking coins. All right, I don't care. The banking coins are where the money's at. Straight up. Cardano, bullish on that one. The Vassal upgrade is going to be incredible. XRP, XLM, Algorand, Hedera, Quant, IOTA, XDC, and Alliance Block. And bullish on this one, guys, because it is partnered with Hedera and Quant. No-brainer for me. But that's pretty much my entire portfolio right there. And I'll show you again, just for those of you who want to look at that. Of course, I'm holding Bitcoin. I've been holding it since 2017. This is my entire portfolio that I'm holding. Bullish on these coins. Very diversified. And really, when you think about it, any one of these coins can moon. It's only going to take 3 coins to be life-changing. All right, it's facts. It's only going to take 3 coins. That's all it needs. So I'm very diversified. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Speak to in the comments and the community tab. Make sure you're following me on socials. Take care. And please, I do not respond to the bots. They are not me. I will never ask you to message me on WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, that messaging platform. I can't remember the name of it. Anyway, just be careful. Talk to me in the community tab and I will respond accordingly. All right, stay safe, guys. Take care. Peace. Bye.